Hello and welcome. My name is Charles Atelu with over 10 years experience in health informatics, content development and training, working for Kenya HMIS2 project. In this video, I'm going to take you through KP program enrollment. But before so, I want to believe that you have already viewed our video on KP registration and completing a peer contact information. If so, then to enroll a patient to the KP program, begin by adding a peer-to-peer educator relationship. To do so, click on the Add Relationship button. You'll be navigated to the Add Relationship page. Remember, KP clients are linked to a client within the facility. This client can be a peer educator or a KP within the same facility. So select from the drop-down menu and type to search the peer educator you are linking the client to. So our peer educator is demo capacity that we are linking to the boy Tommy. So once you select the client, select the drop-down menu to select the relationship to the client. The relationship can either be patient, doctor, sibling, parent, child, so whatever applies. But for our case, this is a peer educator. Select the start date of this relationship, which is today, and leave out the end date because this relationship has not started and ended today. Until when the relationship ends, then you will navigate to edit the relationship and type in the end date. Once done, click on the Save button. That completes adding the peer-to-peer educator relationship. And to confirm that, the panel would be activated specifying the peer relationship client and the date that relationship started. Kindly note that this can still be edited by clicking on the pencil icon to edit, and at the same time you can still cancel the peer educator relationship created. However, kindly note that the system allows you to add more than one relationship. Let us now proceed to enroll a patient in the KP program. To enroll a patient into the KP program, click on the Enroll button. Once you click on the Enroll button, the KP enrollment form will appear. By default, the enrollment date will be picked and the time as well as the location. The KP enrollment form has got 5 panels: client enrollment social status, historical status, HIV history, client support panel, and lastly, body contact information. To begin with the client enrollment social status, select if the client has been contacted by a peer educator for preventive services by selecting the red button yes or no. Does the client have a regular and non-paying sexual partner? Yes or no. Historical status panel: which year did you start sex work? Indicate the year by typing on the field. Have you ever experienced sexual violence? It's yes or no. Ever experienced physical violence? It's yes or no. HIV history: inquire from the client if they have been tested for HIV. Is a yes or no. Once you select yes, then proceed to inquire the last time they received HIV testing and how did they test. Select the respective radio button. Ask the client if they would like to share the test results by selecting the appropriate radio button. If they don't wish, select that they don't wish. Then another field will be added. Are they willing to be tested for HIV? Yes or no. If they agree to yes, then select yes. Proceed to the client support panel. Inquire from the patient if they will be willing to be contacted if they are due for a clinical service. If they select yes, then inquire how they would like to be contacted. Select the checkbox. Then proceed to the body contact information. If the client has got a body, input the name and their contact. Once done, click the Save button to save. Immediately you click Save, you will be navigated to the client homepage and the KP panel is activated, telling you the date the patient was enrolled This information can still be edited by clicking on the pencil icon, and the patient can still be discontinued from the program if deemed necessary. So that marks the end of enrolling a client into a KP program. In the next video, I'll take you through how to complete community outreach tools. Thank you.